All right, y'all, I'm about to do it. 3, 2, 1. All right, so we're finally back from doing those damn pulls over there. We were going hella fast, but now let's get to business. So the reason why I was gone for so long, I decided to fall out of a car, bust my head open, go to the hospital, crash my car, sell my car, blow up this engine, buy this car, and now this car, we're gonna sell it, right? So we're gonna sell it for 9 to 10 grand, right? So this car has bad meow meows, or AKA cats, or whatever, right? Shit, that's it. So this car has bad cats right here. So, fuck, I'm gonna start over. So this has bad cats. Damn, I keep cussing. So this car has bad cats, but that's not the problem, right? It's gonna sell for 8 to 10 grand regardless what happens with this car, right? Over here, we're gonna sell this car for 7 grand, all right? So this is actually pretty cheap for a G37. A lot of these dealers are charging 10 to 12 grand, all right? So yeah, that's what's been going on this whole time. I'm gonna be keeping y'all updated on everything I do from now on, from, I don't know, all sorts of activities, all right? So if you guys are interested in this type of content, please leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell on all, well, hit the bell.
Please leave a like, subscribe, share this and hit the bell. Thank you all for your time. Virgin Gang out. Mwah.
Alright, y'all, thank you guys for watching. Thanks for your time. Please leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the share button so you can tell people I'm still alive. Leave a comment. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time in the next video. But peace.